Hey, welcome to Smokey Barbecue. Today we're going to do a salsa verde with tomatoes, jalapenos. You're going to love what you see. Smokey Pete's Barbecue. Today we're going to do a green tomato salsa verde. What we've got here, we've got a little bit of olive oil, we've got some garlic, got some lemon juice, jalapeno, some sweet peppers, some green tomatoes. We took these green tomatoes off the vine because we were supposed to have a freeze, so we have a lot of green tomatoes. Had something to do with it, so we're going to make a salsa verde. And then we're going to take about a quarter of an onion. We're going to mix it all together. We're going to take it out on the smoker. We're going to smoke it for probably about 5 hours. We're going to mix a lot of smoke in on this. We're going to mix it about for 5 hours. Then we'll come back in and we'll mix it with some cilantro and we'll have a dip that you're going to love. We'll see you in just a second. Okay, I've got all my ingredients right here. What we're going to do, just going to show you real quick. We're going to show you what we do. We just put it as a rough chop. We've already washed everything, so we wash everything up. Come here, chop everything up. About the size of a pecan. Then we're going to put everything in the bowl. Put the bowl right there. We'll do a few tomatoes. We'll chop the end of that pepper off right there. Do basically the same thing with that pepper. Leave the seeds in, not a big deal. The tomatoes are so tart because they're green. They're tart that you're gonna need a little bit of that heat anyway. So same thing with our jalapeno. We're gonna cut the end of that off, and we're just gonna quarter this one, seeds and all. Put it on the bowl over here. Just a little bit of a cook's tip. Once you start messing with jalapenos with your fingers, don't rub your eyes. Put our onions in there. We're going to take our lemon juice, just drizzle it in there. We're going to take our garlic, put it in there. Then we're going to drizzle in some olive oil. Then we're going to top it off with, everybody knows, I use the Elk Creek AP. We're going to top it off with some Elk Creek. Okay, we're going to get the rest of these tomatoes chopped up, then we're going to head to the smoker. We'll see y'all in just a little bit. Hey everybody, we're out here at the smoker. We're going to put this on. You know, for a little bit of heat, we added some red chili flakes to give it a little bit of heat and a little bit of kick whenever we get to do this. So, open this up right here. We're going to set it on. We're going to let it smoke a little bit. We will be back about every 30 minutes to turn it, roll that smoke into it, and get the smoky flavor. We'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, we're out here at the smoker. We've been smoking this. I thought we was going to do it for 5 hours, but it's been actually on about 4. We've been stirring it about every 30 minutes to roll that smoke into everything. We've been running at 225 all day. Let show you what we got right here. We've got it ready to come off the smoker and get this into salsa. Okay, we're back inside. Now we're going to mix up our salsa. What we got is we're going to take a couple of spoonfuls of salsa, take a little bit of the cilantro. You don't want to cook the cilantro when you do the tomatoes because it'll just wilt down. You want it to kind of be fresh and chunky, and it will mix up in here. Put you a little lemon, lime, whatever you want. Get it to taste, however you want to go from there. So we're going to just take us a couple of scoops here. One a couple of scoops. I'm going to hit it on here just for a second, and then I'll take some cilantro and put in there just to knock the bottom part of it out. Okay, just a little bit right there, so we can do that. Come back in here, get us some cilantro. Put there in the top. Then we're going to put it back on in the blender. You can use whatever blender you got. If you got a little Ninja, anything you want to do, you can do that. So take down, we're going to take a little spoon. My assistant will hand me a little wooden spoon. My wife, she loves me. Push that cilantro down in there just a little bit so we get it done. We'll take a little bit more of the lime juice. Put it in there. Take a little bit of lemon. Put it in there. Put back on. You can see the coloring coming in. You can see the cilantro coming into the inside of that. You can see where it mixed up. Now we're going to take us okay, you can see that the coloring, when you put the cilantro in there, it's going to be a little bit of warm salsa. We've had it on the smoker out there for 4 hours, so it's ready to go. But you can see the coloring in there. The flavoring, the smokiness coming off of that grill, that gives it a total different flavor. You can't get this when you go to the local restaurant and pick up a little bit out of the jar. This is something you got to do at home, folks. Right here with the green tomatoes, the garlic, the jalapenos, the sweet peppers, the lemon juice, the lime juice, the garlic. Make sure I got everything that we've done right there, and then top it off with the cilantro at the end. This is one of them things you can make for a party and just blow everybody else away. So y'all be sure and like and subscribe. Go on and put a comment. Let us know what you think. If I've done something you like, great. If I've done something you don't like, please let me know. I sure like to just answer the questions, and if you got questions, I'll try to answer all my comments right there. Also, hit that little bell so every time we put out a video, you hear that ding, 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 and you get that coming to you every time. So y'all come back, see us now here.